Welcome to Spiced Foods. Let's make special spicy biryani with homemade biryani masala. Special biryani masala. You will need bay leaf 5 to 6 pieces, coriander seeds 2 tablespoons, fennel seeds 2 tablespoons, cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, cloves 1 tablespoon, star anise 1 tablespoon, black pepper 2 tablespoons, black cardamom 1 tablespoon, green cardamom 1 tablespoon, cinnamon 3 sticks 2 inch each, mace 10 grams, nutmeg powder 1 teaspoon, red chili powder 2 tablespoons, turmeric 1 tablespoon. Dry roast all the whole spices, except mace, until fragrant. Grind into fine powder. We didn't add salt to spice mix. To make biryani, you will need chicken 1.2 kg, yogurt 400 grams, homemade biryani masala 2 to 3 tablespoons, salt to taste, 7 to 8 medium onions sliced. In a pot, add in 7 to 8 cups of water and whole spices, 2 tablespoons of salt. Soak 1 kilogram rice for at least 30 minutes. Add soaked rice in boiling water. Marinate chicken with 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, yogurt, biryani masala, green chilies, half a lemon and salt to taste. When rice are almost cooked up to 70 to 80%, carefully drain the water. Cook rice until 70 to 80% cooked. Fry onion until golden. Set aside fried onions. For layering, sliced lemons, chop mint leaves. Add marinated chicken in fried onion oil. Mix. Cook for 18 to 20 minutes or until oil starts to separate. In a bowl, separate half of the fried onion, mix with rest of the yogurt. Add yogurt and onion mixture in the curry. Add in mint leaves. For biryani layering, in a pot, add in little bit of oil. Add in a layer of rice, then a layer of curry. Add in rest of the rice. Layer fried onion, chopped mint and sliced lemons. Optional, add in orange food coloring. Cover and cook for 5 to 7 minutes on low heat or until rice are fully cooked. Gently mix the biryani. Our spicy homemade biryani from scratch is ready. Garnish with sliced lemons and fried onions. Serve with Raita and green chili chutney, both recipes on our channel. Both recipes will be linked in the description below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes. Follow us on TikTok.